In today's video, I'm going to teach you backup Microsoft Outlook data. By the end of this guide, you'll have a secure copy of your emails, contacts, and calendar items saved into a single file that you can store safely and restore whenever needed. To get started, open the Microsoft Outlook desktop application on your computer. It's important to use the desktop version because the web version does not include the tools required for this process. Once Outlook is fully loaded, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will take you into the main settings and account management area. From there, look for Open and Export, then click on Import and Export. This will launch a setup wizard that helps you move or copy Outlook data. When the wizard appears, select the option labeled Export to a File, then click Next. This tells Outlook that you want to create a backup copy rather than bring data into the program. Next, choose Outlook Data File, also known as a PST file, and then click Next again. This file format is specifically designed to store a wide range of Outlook data, including emails, attachments, contacts, calendar entries, tasks, and notes, making it ideal for backups. You will now be asked to select what you want to include in your backup. For a complete backup, choose your main account at the top of the list and make sure the option to include subfolders is enabled. This ensures that all folders and their contents are included. If you prefer, you can also select specific folders instead. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you are selecting the correct one before proceeding. After that, click Next and choose a location where you want to save your backup file. It is recommended to select a secure location, such as an external drive, a network folder, or a cloud storage directory. You can also rename the file and include the date to keep your backups organized. Once everything is set, click Finish to begin the process. Outlook may give you the option to set a password for the file. This step is optional, but it can provide an extra layer of security if you choose to use it. Allow the export process to complete. The time required will depend on the size of your mailbox and your system's performance. Once finished, your Outlook data will be safely stored in a portable file that you can use for restoration or transfer in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.